Welcome to CES 2022.
Today, I'm thrilled to announce the official names for our next-gen VR system, PlayStation VR2. And our next-gen controllers will be called PlayStation VR2 Sense controllers. PlayStation VR2 will bring together the power of technology with the creativity of developers. We've developed new sensory features, enhanced controls and tracking, and upgraded visual fidelity. For example, with eye tracking, you'll be able to interact more intuitively as your character while allowing for improved social expression. The headset also has feedback, so players will feel subtle, responsive vibrations that heighten the sensations of their in-game actions. Visually, PlayStation VR2 will offer a best-in-class experience with 4K HDR, foveated rendering, and 110-degree field of view. All of this is on top of the new PlayStation VR2 Sense controllers, which enable players to feel and interact with games in a much more visceral way. We're also excited to announce that one of the biggest exclusive franchises on PlayStation will be coming to PlayStation VR2. Horizon Call of the Mountain from Guerrilla Games and Firesprite Games.
There.
What's that tonic doing?
It's heading towards Stone's grasp.
It's headed towards us!
And today, I'd like to show you a new Vision S prototype. This is our new prototype SUV. Vision S has been developed on a foundation of safety, adaptability, and entertainment. A total of 40 sensors, including Sony CMOS image sensors, are installed inside and outside the vehicle to monitor safety. In terms of adaptability, the Vision S prototype is equipped with network connectivity, which allows us to build a vehicle that continuously evolves. It also makes it possible to personalize the cabin for each user. And with 5G, it enables high-speed, high-capacity, and low-latency connection between the in-vehicle system and the cloud. The Vision S also evolves mobility as an entertainment space and features our 360 reality audio, gaming experiences, and Bravia Core for Vision S, a fully integrated digital video service. We have learned more about mobility through our exploration of Vision S and from the various partners who have supported these efforts. With our imaging and sensing, cloud, 5G, and entertainment technologies combined with our content mastery, we believe Sony is well positioned as a creative entertainment company to redefine mobility. That being said, I'm excited to announce this spring we are establishing a new company, Sony Mobility Inc., to accelerate these efforts. And we are exploring a commercial launch of Sony's EV. Sony Mobility Inc. will harness the potential of mobility utilizing our AI and robotics. This is a bold step into the future, bringing our expertise in creating diverse and innovative solutions to the world. Thank you for being with us today. Enjoy CES.